XR2LabTrain is an extended reality training solution designed to enhance industrial surface defect inspection skills. By combining immersive adaptive learning with ergonomic movement tracking, it ensures users can identify defects safely and effectively. In industrial environments, visual defects are often subtle or only visible from specific angles. XR2LabTrain allows for the efficient interactive exploration of these diverse cases in a controlled virtual space. To provide a data-driven approach to ergonomics, the application utilizes the REBA score, an industry-standard assessment that calculates a numerical value based on real-time posture data. This system evaluates the positioning of the neck, trunk, and limbs to provide immediate feedback, ensuring users learn to perform inspections within a low-risk, ergonomically optimal range. The application is structured into 3 distinct learning modules. Observation. A virtual trainer demonstrates the correct way to inspect a car door from different angles and viewing points across the door in an ergonomically correct and safe fashion. Repetition. The user focuses on replicating the specific observation methods and movements demonstrated by the trainer to build consistent habits. During this and following modules, an external camera tracks the user's body in real time, displaying a live REBA score, a tool to evaluate ergonomic hazards. Problem identification. Users must identify a series of defects on the car door while actively maintaining their REBA score within the ideal range. The hardware configuration is designed for maximum efficiency, requiring only a small, portable computing unit, a standard webcam, and a VR headset. This streamlined setup ensures rapid deployment and high portability, allowing trainers and users to transition into the learning environment without delay. The project is a collaborative effort between 3 partners. Mind Console is responsible for 3D asset generation, the implementation of the XR training application, and the integration of the REBA scores into the virtual environment. Profactor is responsible for expert and defect data capturing, AI data interpretation, and the respective data transformation into REBA scores. And TechHouse is responsible for the educational embedding of the training and the respective exploitation and business aspects. XR2LabTrain is part of XR2Learn, a Horizon Europe-funded initiative by the European Commission, which supports the development of human-centric XR educational applications across borders.